Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Ford Mustang 5-litre GT on a 21 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, first of all, you can see that it is a two-door car with those black alloy wheels, tinted windows around the rear of the vehicle. And we're going to start off inside its boot space. First of all, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, those 4 tailpipes, plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down either or both of those rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the dead center at the bottom, you can see the gear the car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. So the left-hand side of that, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 27,664. You can change information displayed in this middle section for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information, any of which you can reset should you be wanting to take the car on a journey. And you do that with the buttons just here. We have our stereo controls, we have our cruise control, we have our phone and satellite navigation controls just here. We've just behind the steering wheel got the minus and plus pedals, so you can change up and down again manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the center, the main touch screen. So you can see the satellite navigation system just here. If we press the home section in the top left, we're on our main home screen where you can pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Follow the instructions on screen from there. You can also access your audio options. So you can see AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, Bluetooth audio. We've also got USB inputs. If you plug devices in, they will appear up here as further options for you. We can also turn on our heated steering wheel and turn that back off again from there. Along the bottom, you've got your audio, your phone and your navigation, which we've looked at already from this main menu, but you can also access your climate control. We have physical controls for this, which we'll come to in just a moment. There are certain mobile apps you can pair up to the car, and under the settings menu, you'll be able to see that we've got Apple CarPlay available just here, and then various other options, including setting up your mobile apps, your Bluetooth, all from here. And then you can access, as I say, that home screen anytime you wish to in that top left. We've also got, as you can see, a full color reversing camera. Working our way down, we have the main volume for your stereo just here. And then the physical climate control options. So your passenger temperature up and down, driver temperature up and down, whatever adjustment you make will show on the screen temporarily with all adjustments. So fans, temperature, whatever it might be. That's your air conditioning off. Back on again. Hit auto. The car will now take full control on your behalf to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will turn auto off straight away again. This is where you start and stop the engine. We have our hazard warning lights. You can turn off your traction control. You can change the driving setup of the car from down there. And we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, as well as 2 cup holders. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. Firstly, in the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total, of course. The V5 registration document, plenty of service history underneath there, which we'd be more than happy to run through in person or on a live video call. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you, sir.